Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use NotebookLM for YouTube videos. Okay, so have you ever watched a 1 hour YouTube video just to find one important piece of information? Or maybe you're a content creator who wants to organize ideas from educational videos without taking notes manually. So, of course, the NotebookLM can help with that. Okay, so you will learn how to add YouTube videos as sources, generate summaries, ask questions about the content, create study guides, and even use the information to brainstorm your own content ideas. So first, the Notebook LM is Google's assistant or the AI-powered research and note-taking assistant. Unlike a traditional AI chatbot, Notebook LM works primarily with the sources you provide. So it can analyze documents, Google Docs, PDFs, and supported YouTube videos, then answer questions based on those materials. And instead of searching through an entire video for one detail, you can ask the Notebook LM questions and receive responses based on the video's content. So this works best when the video has an available transcript or captions that Notebook LM can use. Okay, so first, we have to create our account. So just open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Notebook LM. And then you have this first result right here, so you just simply tap on this one. And then tap on the Try Notebook LM. Then you will be directed to this section. So you just have to sign in using your Google account. Okay. And then we are going to create our very first notebook. So tap on the Create Notebook. And then we are going to give this notebook a name. So for example, we are going to name this one as YouTube Research or Lessons. Alright, I'm just going to name this one as Lessons. So each notebook can contain multiple sources, allowing you to organize videos by subject. Okay, now it is time to add your source. So tap on the Add Source option at the top left. Okay, and then you just have to choose the option to add a supported YouTube video, then paste the video's URL. So here we have the website option. So tap on it, and then I just have to paste here the website and YouTube URLs. So yeah, to upload as a source a notebook LM. So you also have here a guide. So let's just paste here the link from YouTube. Okay. So I have here now the link. So I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay, and then tap on the insert option. So the Notebook LM will process the video's available transcript or caption, and then make the content searchable inside your notebook. Okay, so as you can see, we have that right here. So if a video does not have usable captions or transcript, the Notebook LM may not be able to analyze effectively. So keep that in mind when choosing a video or choosing videos. And once the video has been processed, you can ask Notebook LM to summarize it. For example, you just have to type it right here, summarize this YouTube video. Then tap on the send option, or you can also type out, give me the 5 most important takeaways. You can also ask for a beginner-friendly explanation, a one-page summary, key action steps, or the main topics discussed. So this is especially useful for long educational videos, webinars, interviews, and conference presentation. Okay, now we can ask questions about the video. Instead of replaying different sections of the video, we can just simply ask questions. For example, okay, so what did the speaker say about photosynthesis Okay. Or you can also type out explain the workflow discussed in the video, list all of the important note mentioned, and the Notebook LM answers using the content from the video's transcript, making it much easier to locate important information. Okay, now we can turn videos into study materials. If you're watching educational content, the Notebook LM can convert videos into useful study sources. We can ask it to create study guides, flashcards, practice quizzes, key terms, chapter summaries, discussion questions. So for example, we can type it right here, generate 10 quiz, all right, 10 quiz questions from this video. Okay, this is particularly helpful for students learning from online lectures or professionals taking online training courses. And then you can also use the Notebook LM for content creation. So the Notebook LM is not just for learning, it can also help content creators. So after analyzing one or more videos, you can ask create outline inspired by this video. Create an outline. Okay. Or you can also type out identify topics that weren't fully explained, suggest related video ideas, generate FAQs based on these videos. So if you're researching a topic from several YouTube videos, Notebook LM can also compare ideas across multiple sources and help you organize your own thoughts. So just be sure to create original content rather than copying someone else's work. So use the Notebook LM to understand and synthesize information, then present it into your own words and with your own perspective. Now, another useful feature is the audio overviews. So you have that right here at the right side. So we have more features right here. So we'll just proceed with the audio overview. So after adding your sources, the Notebook LM can generate an AI-hosted audio discussion that reviews the key ideas from your notebook. So this allows you to reinforce what you've learned while commuting, exercising, or taking a break from your screen. It is a very convenient way to review information without having to rewatch the entire video. And just a few tips for getting the best results: you just have to choose the videos with clear transcripts or caption, ask specific questions instead of general ones, add multiple videos on the same topic, compare ideas, identify the common themes, and review important points in the original video if you need full context. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.